Hi everyone, today I'll be presenting about Ihsan, our Orbital project. So what is Ihsan? It is a fundraising platform on web that allows anyone to donate to causes and list causes. We created it because nowadays mosques paste their QR code, PayNow QR code on donation boxes. But this can lead to scammy stuff where people replace their QR code with their own personal QR code and funnel the donation to their own personal account. Our website also incites users to list causes that are specific. So now people are more motivated to donate to their causes because they have more control on where their donations go to. Let's proceed to the app demo. So the first feature of our website is the authentication. So we use Clerk for authentication, and it allows us to allow users to sign up with their Google accounts or Facebook. Our second feature is the user profile. So we have a simple user profile mechanism in our website where people can change their names and also change their pictures. And future iterations of the project can add more fields to the user profile to add more functionality. So we go to our landing page and we will see our first real feature, which is our one-time donation. So we allow users to input how much they want to donate. So it's a custom amount where they can donate, and we use Stripe for our payment mechanism. So people can choose to pay with their card, or they can choose to pay with PayNow actually. Now after donations, logged in users will be directed to their donation page where they can see the history of donations. But people can also choose to donate with a recurring setup. So that means monthly deductions will be made from their account. Right. So this is also created using Stripe checkout API. A successful setup of recurring donation will lead users to the recurring donations page, where users can interact with their recurring donations by choosing to cancel their monthly setup. Let's go back to the landing page where we can click on the course card and will lead us to the course details page. So users can interact with the course details page by leaving a review. So this will create the mechanism where courses have credentials by people supporting it. Another feature is that users can also favorite their course, and another feature is now that users can be able to share their favorite courses. So upon clicking it, we will have a link to the course page. So just messing around with the review and favorite functionality. So sixth feature is the course listing page where users can create the course and list it. So we have a couple of fields that we deem to be essential in creating a course. Right, so that is the course that we have created just now, and we can manage the courses in our active courses page. Alright, so let's test our courses. We will donate something to it, an amount, and we can see that in our active courses we have also an update on how much donations have been given to our course. So we can also make updates to our courses. So we have all the basic functionality, the CRUD functionalities available for our course listings. Right, so we just changed the picture just now and made it more relevant. And we can also delete our course if you want to. Second feature is that we can also search courses. We have this functionality, and we can also sort or categorize it based on the categories available. And finally, users can also donate if they are logged out. but they can only make one-time donations. So this is to lower the barrier of people wanting to donate. So that's it for our live app demo. So now we will share a bit about the software engineering part. So firstly, the importance of testing to make sure components are reliable and utility functions are up and running. Secondly, the importance of separation of content, so we make sure that we have modularized our code. That's why we make components for every little thing that we can, such as cards and containers and items and all that, and then we reuse it across our page to give a consistent user experience. The third is incremental development. So it's our first time working on a huge project, so we now realize how important it is to develop incrementally, bit at a time, one feature at a time, right? So this kept us going.